Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist today, popular singer SoundSultan reportedly diagnosed with cancer. Let's check out the details. Veteran singer Lariwaju Fasasi, popularly known as SoundSultan, has been reportedly diagnosed with throat cancer. He is reported to have commenced chemotherapy in one of the hospitals in the United States of America. The singer has, however, not made this news known on his social media account. He, however, hinted on his absence in a post on his Instagram a few days ago where he wrote, in the words of a Terminator, "I will be back." Fellow celebrities alongside fans have been in the comment section offering him encouragement, support and prayers. SoundSultan's career in show business started in the 1990s when he hosted shows to raise money for studio sessions. By 1999, he had won numerous local talent on shows and released his first single, Jagbajantes, in 2000, which was a hit in Nigeria. Meanwhile, immediately the news broke out, so many celebrities tried to reach SoundSultan, and in a bid to put out the tension, he posted a voice note on his WhatsApp telling everyone that he's doing fine. Let's check it out.
Hello, everybody that's trying to get in touch with me. This is SoundSultan. Mikuna, no worry. Nothing is going on that God cannot control. Yes, publications are going everywhere. If at all, they are half wrong, but it's okay.
Well, that's all the gist we have for you today. Our prayers are going up for SoundSultan. Remember to like and subscribe before you go.